Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming your iPhone 15 Plus is on iOS 17 or later and has enough free space. This prevents installation hiccups. Once done, install Genmoji from the App Store, then grant camera and photos permissions so the app can capture and save creations. You'll sign in with your Apple ID or a Genmoji account. This links your saved stickers. Make sure to enable notifications so Genmoji can push updates and new sticker packs for later steps. You now capture your face using the front camera in a 3, 4 or 1 frame to maximize facial detail. Next, use face mesh and the customization sliders to tweak size, skin tone, and eye shape. These controls preserve expression fidelity. Once the base looks right, add accessories and text layers and pick export settings like PNG with transparency. Be deliberate. Small adjustments change animation behavior, so preview before saving to your photos or Genmoji library. You finish by exporting your sticker as PNG, app, or a sticker pack, and then share directly to Messages, WhatsApp, or save to the Photos app. Once exported, enable iCloud Sync to back up your creations and access them on other devices. If the export or animation rendering fails, make sure you have at least 500 MB of free space, force quit Genmoji, and reopen it. This clears temp cache. If problems persist, toggle camera and photos permissions in settings and retry.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.